Welcome to this video on the general regulations for plumbing installations, brought to you by the Camiguin chapter of the National Master Plumbers Association. In this video, we will cover the essential general rules that govern proper plumbing installations. First, it is a requirement that all sewage and wastewater be properly disposed of. It is unlawful to dispose of human excrement or other wastewaters in any manner other than through an approved drainage system. Regarding the grade of horizontal drainage piping, it should be run at a uniform slope of not less than 20 millimeters per meter or 2%. If this is impractical due to specific constraints, a 1% slope may be allowed with approval from the administrative authority. This 2% slope is considered the golden standard in plumbing for maintaining a self-cleansing velocity. Proper alignment not only aids in efficiency but also helps minimize blockages. When changing the direction of drainage flow, whether horizontal or vertical, you must use approved pipe fittings that provide a longer sweep. Additionally, remember that no connection shall have more than one inlet at the same level. All fixtures and drains must be connected to the plumbing system. However, rainwater must not be connected to soil and waste pipe systems. Furthermore, detrimental industrial waste must be treated before disposal. When locating plumbing systems, remember that they must remain on the site of the building. Installations must not impair property access or interfere with the normal operation of doors, windows, and other facilities. Finally, ensure that piping passing through walls is protected by embedded metal sleeves to prevent breakage. Always avoid cutting or notching structural members in a way that would weaken them. Thank you for watching this educational video on plumbing regulations.